Hello friend, we kids, welcome back to my channel. If you have still not subscribed my channel, do hit the red button below. Also click the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you get a notification. Also, अगर आपने मुझे Instagram पे अभी भी follow नहीं किया है, you can follow me. The link is in my description box. And for any kind of queries, any kind of question, any kind of request of any video, you can DM me on my Instagram, and I do reply to all my DMs. This video is about the exam preparation. Like, we know for a fact that because of the corona situation, exams are not going on in Delhi, in India. So this video is about when they'll get started, and for instance, you should start preparing it from now. The fact that registrations are not happening, हमारे पास, we don't have that spark, we don't have that courage to study कि हाँ exams आ रहे हैं, पढ़ेंगे. So that is what my motive is in this video. I'll be telling you what I used to do and what I still do when my exams are there. And it helped me a lot throughout the time, throughout my life. It did really help me. But this video would be a little specified to German language, though obviously all the rules can be applicable to any subject, any exams. But then the pattern which I'll be telling, like the parts, that will be of German. For example, we have 4 parts: Lesen, Hören, Sprechen und Schreiben. Lesen is the reading part, Schreiben is the writing one, Sprechen is when you have to speak, and Hören is you have to listen. Those 4 exercises. So then I'll be telling you how you can manage the parts, how you can prepare for it during the examinations, and then you can actually score good. So the first one is make a strict timetable. Like, sometimes you have to become your own teacher. You have to make sure whatever you've written in the timetable, I'll suggest just stick it somewhere, and if required, make reminders according to that. Do follow it for 1 day, 2 days, or maximum for a week. You might have to force yourself to get up, but then eventually when you will get the hang of it, you will actually realize that it is beneficial. Because हमें पता है जब हम ट्यूशन जाते थे, when the teachers used to be on our head, पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, we actually used to score good because हम बैठ के पढ़ते थे. Now we have to do the same thing in all the subjects, guys. It's just not related to German. You can really apply it all the time in every subject. Make a timetable, make sure you follow it so that you don't miss anything. You should plan your day like a school day. Like, इतने बजे के बाद ये period हो जाएगा, इतने बजे के बाद ये period हो जाएगा, then you have break, lunch, and then इतने time पे छुट्टी, and then घर जाके again your homework stuff वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. Plan your day like that. Second, this is the most important thing for anyone who is learning a language: vocabulary. Learn as much as you can. Okay, for a fact, I am telling you out of my personal experience. अगर मैं दिन में कितने भी words learn करती हूँ, तो next day मुझे सारे learn नहीं हो पाते. I mean, सारे याद नहीं रहते. So then I have to revise वो वाले words जो मैंने कल learn करे थे, and then again I'll learn the new words. So that ऐसा ना हो कि आप नए नए words learn करते जा रहे हो, but the words which you already know, पहले वाले, you're forgetting that. This thing is really a mess, the vocabulary. So as I told in my previous video as well, write on a board, write on a paper, write as many words as you can, and then learn them side by side. आपकी vocabulary increase हो जाएगी, which will not only help you in Schreiben but also Lesen, Hören, Sprechen, like in everything. It will help you, vocabulary. And the third one is start making random sentences if you want to practice for your Sprechen and you don't have a partner. Start having a conversation in your own head, like खुद से ही बात करना type, in the language which you're learning, and it'll really help you. Okay, for example, just plan a situation around you, and then you have to become 2-person, like खुद से ही बात करनी है, in case you don't have a partner. And then when you get stuck somewhere, for example, you want to say a particular word, and then if you don't know what is it called in the language which you're learning, then you can just use your dictionary, and eventually your language will get improved, your expression will get very good. Speak as much as you can. Speak in your class, okay, in your German class or in any of the classes which you're taking, any language. जितना बोलोगे उतना better होगा. This is something which you should do when you are in the class, okay. When you're in the class, it will be like बहुत amazing होता है. Just start making random doubts and then talk to your teacher in that language, so that हमारी language तो अच्छी हो, हमारी language तो improve हो. And then for the second thing, when you're alone, you can do the partner thing. Either talk to your partner, if not, talk to yourself. It's a wonderful idea which you can do. And you should do one lesson, one hearing daily without a gap. When you have already registered for your exam and you know कि हाँ 1 महीने बाद exams है, so you should be consistent इसी time से. You should start doing one lesson, one hearing, because hearing and lesson में अलग अलग vocabulary आती है जो हमने बहुत बार पढ़ी भी नहीं होती. And then it's very important कि जितनी ज़्यादा words, जितने ज़्यादा sentence structure, जितनी ज़्यादा हमें आदत हो जाए इन सब चीज़ों की, उतना better है. Start watching German shows. Don't watch it just before your exam day. Don't do that. But yeah, when you do that, I mean, when you watch German shows, maybe you can watch German cartoons as well, okay? That helps a lot. I have heard it a lot कि German cartoons say the vocabulary, the touch of the language gets increased, so it's good. The last one, which I feel is very important for Schreiben, for the writing part, that is when you write something, make sure you get it checked from your teacher. Number one, we'll get to identify our mistakes, our errors, and then we will not repeat the same errors in the exam. This is the human nature. When you do one error here, you don't know whether it's right or wrong. You'll do the same in the exams, and then that becomes a problem. So make sure, it's good that you write, but make sure कि हम वो सारा काम अपने टीचर से चेक करवा ले. And a day or two before your exams, okay, I have been doing it हमेशा. I always do it, not just when I started learning German, but हमेशा. I collate my papers and then I see कि mistakes क्या क्या हुई है, so that I know कि हाँ ये गलतियाँ मैं हमेशा कर रही हूँ and I don't repeat it in the exam. So that's pretty much all for the things which I follow for my exams, and I hope it will help you somehow, somewhere. If you have any doubt, you can ask, you can message. Till then, stay safe. Cheers.